Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel, where we explore the most luxurious experiences the world has to offer. Today we're taking a look at some of the most magnificent restaurants in the United States of America, where fine dining meets decadence. Whether you're a foodie, a gourmet, or just someone who loves to indulge, you're in for a treat. Let's dive a little deeper into the first restaurant on our list, Per Se in New York City. This 3 Michelin-starred restaurant is a true gem of the city, offering a contemporary French cuisine experience like no other. The restaurant is located in the Time Warner Center, offering breathtaking views of Central Park and the city skyline. Per Se's 9-course tasting menu is a true culinary journey, with each dish more breathtaking than the last. The menu is seasonal and changes frequently, so every visit is a unique experience. The dishes are designed to be paired with wine, and with an extensive list of over 4,000 labels, you're sure to find the perfect match for your meal. From the butter-poached Maine lobster, every bite is a work of art. The presentation is just as stunning as the flavors, with each dish a beautiful masterpiece on the plate. The atmosphere of Per Se is just as impressive as the cuisine. The decor is elegant and understated, with neutral tones and chic accents that create a sophisticated and relaxed atmosphere. The service is impeccable, with the staff attentive and knowledgeable, making sure your dining experience is nothing short of perfect. One of the highlights of Per Se is the kitchen tour, where diners can take a behind-the-scenes look at the chefs in action. It's a unique opportunity to see the magic that happens in the kitchen and to get a glimpse of the incredible talent of the chefs. Overall, Per Se is a true culinary experience that should not be missed. From the breathtaking views to the innovative cuisine and impeccable service, it's a dining experience that will stay with you for a lifetime. So for all of you luxury lovers out there, Per Se is a must-visit for anyone looking for the ultimate dining experience in New York City. Up next on our luxurious restaurant tour is Alinea in Chicago, Illinois. This 3 Michelin-starred eatery is like a canvas for the culinary arts, where Chef Grant Achetz and his talented team experiment with new cooking techniques and push the limits of what's possible in the kitchen. With a menu that's constantly evolving and a focus on using only the freshest seasonal ingredients, Alinea is a true feast for the senses. From the first bite, you'll be transported to a world of culinary wonder. Each dish is crafted to be a sensory experience, with bold flavors and imaginative presentation. Take, for example, the crispy skinned duck paired with tart elderberries, or the edible balloons filled with air and helium. Each bite is a surprise, a delight for the taste buds, and a testament to the creativity of the kitchen. But it's not just the food that sets Alinea apart. The restaurant's atmosphere is just as captivating. With its minimalist decor and innovative lighting design, the space is modern and sleek, creating a sophisticated and stylish setting that perfectly complements the culinary experience. The service is top-notch, with knowledgeable and attentive staff who are dedicated to making sure that your dining experience is nothing short of perfect. If you're looking for a truly unique and unforgettable dining experience, Alinea is a must-visit. From the innovative cuisine to the captivating atmosphere and impeccable service, it's a dining experience that you'll never forget. So to all Epicureans, gastronomes, and food aficionados, Alinea is a destination that you won't want to miss. For those who crave the taste of Italy, La Pergola in Rome, New York is the answer to your culinary prayers. Perched atop the iconic Waldorf Astoria Hotel, this elegant restaurant offers breathtaking views of the city skyline and serves up innovative Italian cuisine that will tantalize your taste buds. At the helm of the kitchen is Chef Heinz Beck, a master of his craft who blends traditional Italian flavors with his own unique touch. His dishes are a tribute to classic Italian cooking, with a focus on using only the freshest and most flavorful ingredients. Whether it's the creamy risotto studded with earthy truffles, or the succulent sea bass with a bright lemon and olive oil sauce, every bite is a masterpiece. The restaurant's wine list is equally impressive, with a wide variety of selections that are sure to please any palate. Whether you prefer a bold red or a crisp white, you'll find the perfect pairing for your meal. And with expert sommeliers on hand to guide you through the list, you can be sure that you'll find a wine that complements your meal perfectly. The atmosphere at La Pergola is equally delightful, with its elegant decor and sophisticated setting. The space is spacious and airy, with plenty of room for you to relax and enjoy your meal. The staff is friendly and attentive, making sure that your dining experience is nothing short of perfect. In conclusion, if you're in the mood for delicious Italian cuisine and breathtaking views of the city, La Pergola is the perfect choice. With its innovative menu, extensive wine list, and elegant atmosphere, it's a dining experience that you won't soon forget. Whether you're in town for a special occasion or just looking for a delicious meal, La Pergola is a must-visit for anyone who loves Italian cuisine. For an unforgettable dining experience that combines luxury and California charm, a trip to the French Laundry in Napa Valley is a must. This too Michelin-starred restaurant is led by the renowned chef Thomas Keller, and it is a destination for food lovers from all over the world. The menu at the French Laundry is a celebration of local ingredients, showcasing the best of Napa Valley's terroir. Dishes like the signature oysters and pearls or the succulent roasted duck with figs are not only delicious, but also offer a taste of the region's rich culinary heritage. Each dish is crafted with precision and care, using only the freshest ingredients to create flavors that are truly unforgettable. The restaurant itself is a feast for the senses, with its charming decor and impeccable service. The picturesque gardens are a lovely backdrop for a leisurely meal, and the warm, inviting atmosphere of the dining room makes it the perfect place to enjoy a special occasion or simply a night out with friends. But what truly sets the French Laundry apart is the level of service that you'll receive. From the moment you walk through the door, you'll be greeted with a warm smile and a genuine interest in making sure you have the best dining experience possible. The staff is knowledgeable, friendly, and attentive, making sure that your every need is met and that you leave feeling truly pampered. In conclusion, if you're looking for a dining experience that is truly luxurious and unforgettable, the French Laundry in Napa Valley is the perfect choice. With its delicious food, picturesque setting, and impeccable service, it's a feast for all the senses that you won't soon forget. Whether you're in town for a special occasion or just looking for a delicious meal, the French Laundry is a must-visit for anyone who loves food. We've come to the final stop on our tour of America's most luxurious restaurants, and this time we head to the Pacific Northwest for a feast at Canlis in Seattle. With a family legacy spanning over 70 years, Canlis is a testament to the excellence of seafood cuisine. Here, local ingredients shine in dishes that pay homage to the region's rich flavor profile. One bite into the delectable Dungeness crab with creamy avocado and bright grapefruit, and you'll be transported to the heart of the Pacific Northwest. Each dish is carefully crafted, with a focus on showcasing the freshest and most delicious ingredients. And let's not forget the stunning views of Lake Union from the dining room, the perfect complement to an unforgettable dining experience. The atmosphere at Canlis is elegant and sophisticated, making it the perfect place for special occasions. Whether you're in the mood for a romantic dinner for two or a celebration with friends, the warm and inviting atmosphere at Canlis will make you feel right at home. So come on in, sit down, and savor the flavors of the Pacific Northwest. You won't be disappointed. So there you have it, folks, a taste of some of the most luxurious restaurants in America. Whether you're looking for contemporary French cuisine, innovative Italian dishes, or fresh Pacific Northwest seafood, there's something for everyone. And with their impeccable service, stunning views, and unforgettable cuisine, these restaurants are sure to make your dining experience a truly unforgettable one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on